Hey Paisanis, welcome to another episode of the Italian Guys Food Tour. Very nice to see you guys. So today we are trying Stouffers roasted turkey, tender white meat, turkey stuffing in home-style gravy with russet mashed potatoes. There it is, bad berries. Boom, baby, right there. Let's get to some facts while it's kind of cooling off. 280 calories per serving in one package, a container. Cool. Alright, so that's what that is. Don't get too excited now. Boom, there it is, baby. Mashed potatoes, a la frozen dinner mashed potatoes. Okay, let's see what we got. We gotta dig right into some of this juicy turkey. Oh, just like Mama used to make at Thanksgiving. Okay, give you some of that look right there. Let me check. 1, 2, 3. We could get 4 freaking big pieces. So, ooh. Oh, oh, oh my God. Wow. Oh, incredible. I'm kidding. Typical TV dinner. Mashed potatoes. I'll see if they blow my mind. Ah, incredible. No, I'm kidding again. Oh well. It's regular. It's a regular TV dinner. It ain't bad. It's something to eat. No leftovers here, babies. Oh, so the small pieces of chicken. It's a small TV dinner. It's not Hungry Man, nothing like that. Well, here we go. So, it's not the tastiest stuff I've ever had. But I'm still eating. It ain't the worst pile of crap I've ever had either. It's not bad. For you guys at stouffers, you're doing okay. A piece of big ass turkey pieces. The goodness just keeps coming. Uh, Big old spoonful of mashed potatoes. Honestly, I don't know if this is stuffing or turkey. Okay. Oh. Wow, the pieces of turkey are just endless. Holy crap. So, I will say, again, I don't know if that's a breadstick or turkey or what the hell that is. That was a crouton or something. But they stick together real quick. That one wasn't terribly tasty. I'm just digging for turkey, see what else we got. Wow, if that was Thanksgiving, babies, you should have got 2. So, the mashed potatoes, like I said, textbook frozen dinner mashed potatoes. Nothing horrible at all. I'm still eating. It's not blowing my mind though. This right here is why. I'll show you in a second. This right here, this whole thing, okay, guys, is why, boys and girls, you need to learn how to cook. like the Italian guy. My mother showed me a long time ago, okay? Cook, because I don't want to keep feeding your ass anymore. So, I learned to cook, and I never looked back. I'm not a chef by any means, but I cook all, and I mean all the normal stuff. Can feed my ass, too. I feel bad for you guys that can't feed yourself. Oh, my God. Why would you wait for someone to come home and dinner? There's nothing that proud a moment, and this is all the non-Italians. I know most of the Italians. I don't know about now, but most of the Italians know how to cook. But there's no prouder moment. You put together the spices, all the ingredients. You know what pan to use. You know how to take care of the water, the pan, the temperature, timing, everything. If you know it all, you're a proud person because you know I can make something spectacular out of all this stuff, which is a nice feeling. Like I said, you don't have to wait for anybody. Where's my dinner? Come on, guys. Get off your fat ass and go make it yourself. Okay. So, I'm not a crouton guy. There's plenty here. You want some? Here you go. All right. So, guess what I got to drink? Mountain Dew, baby. Washing down all that turkey goodness. Okay, so to sum it up, I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Like I said, it ain't mind-blowing. There's nothing special about it. But if you're in a pinch, or if this is all you got, go out and get it. It is good. There ain't a hell of a lot in here at all. But, hey, you poor bastards that can't cook, manja, eat up, baby. And buy yourself a cookbook. Christmas is coming. Do yourself a favor. Start with freaking toast and work your way up to a steak or burgers, okay? Don't wait for anybody to feed yourself. You're only making life tough on yourself, seriously. I mean, this stuff will get you by, but there's a lot of goodness in life. Food is incredible, especially when you know how to cook it and just make something with your own two hands. And when it comes out, if you can fill a house with a nice stink, and I ain't talking about the type that comes out of the bathroom, if you can fill a nice stink of a turkey, a roasted turkey, or some steak, or a roast, or a big chicken, or something. Somebody walks in your house, the first thing they say is, "Oh my God, that smells awesome." And you go, "That's right, baby. I did that. And I'm eating good tonight." All right, so thanks for watching the Italian Guys Food Tour. We're going to be back with some chips from Humpty Dumpty. So that's coming up. I haven't done a Humpty Dumpty review yet. So as you can see, I'm still a little hungry. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching the Italian Guys Food Tour. Manja, eat up. Please subscribe. Trying to get me over the top. I got to get through winter. I need to fatten my ass up with some likes and subscribers and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.